Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create text-to-speech in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. Before we begin, if you currently have Audacity open, go ahead and close it completely. We need to adjust some system settings first before we can start recording. Now look at the bottom right corner of your screen where your system tray is located. You'll see a speaker icon there. Right-click on it and select Open Sound Settings from the menu that appears. Once the Sound Settings window opens, scroll down until you find an option that says Manage Sound Devices. Click on it to proceed. In the Sound Devices window, look for Stereo Mix. You'll typically find it at the bottom of the list. Go ahead and click on it to select it. After selecting Stereo Mix, you'll see an Enable button appear at the bottom. Click Enable to activate this device. This is crucial because Stereo Mix allows Audacity to capture audio that's playing through your computer's speakers, which is exactly what we need for converting text to speech. Now that we've configured our system settings, open your Audacity app. Once it launches, direct your attention to the top toolbar where you'll find an Audio Setup button. Click on it. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over Recording Device. A sub-menu will appear with various recording options. Click on Stereo Mix from this list. This ensures that Audacity will record the audio output from your computer. Next, open your web browser and navigate to translategoogle.com. Alternatively, you can use other text-to-speech services such as Microsoft Edge's Read Aloud, 11 Labs, or any other text-to-speech tool you prefer. On the Google Translate page, click the text field on the left side. This is where you'll enter the text you want to convert to speech. Type in your content here. Now switch back to Audacity and click the Record button at the top toolbar. It's the red circular button that's easy to spot. Return to your Google Translate tab and click the speaker icon located at the bottom of your text. This will play the text-to-speech audio and Audacity will capture it in real time. Once the audio finishes playing and you're satisfied with your recording, go back to Audacity and click the Stop button at the top toolbar. This will end the recording session. If there are any unnecessary parts in your recording that you'd like to remove, click the Selection tool at the top, then click and drag across the waveform to highlight the section you want to cut. After selecting the unwanted portion, click Edit in the top menu and select Cut. This will remove that section from your recording. Finally, click the play button to test your recording and make sure everything sounds the way you want it to. And there you have it. You've successfully created text-to-speech in Audacity using your computer's audio output. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.